braver than me. Oh, yeah, get on the grip. That's not particularly pleasant. Right. This bit isn't really fun. Respect to the guy that's just gone barreling down the gravel. He did it in style as well. Oh God, right enough. Yeah, let's stay on the grass. What could possibly go wrong? Okay, this looks a bit better. Let's give it a go. Oh. This is where you need 30mm tyres and suspension. And the bravery of a tour rider. I mean, to be fair, I did see in the route guide that it did say there was a small section of off-road. I didn't realise it was golden pea gravel. Hey ho, and it's downhill. Obligatory squeaky brakes. Oh, don't like this. I've actually got one foot unclipped just in case it all goes wrong and I can try and bail out. Oh God, look at this now. Right, sheep. What the? I mean, bizarrely, I actually did sign up for this. Oh, my hands are slipping on the handlebars. That's better. Oh, hang on, this looks like tarmac. Oh, well, at least it's solid mud. All right, sheep. You stay under the tree, keep dry. Oh no, more of the pea gravel. Right, let's get in the grass. Life is an adventure. Or the risk of a trip to A&E, whichever way you want to look at it. Oh, oh hello, proper tarmac. Oh, this is fun because I'm not clipped in. Oh well, that was fun while it lasted. Right. Oh great, a climb. Just what you need. Oh, I've just looked down at my feet and it looks like someone sprayed me with mud. Oh. I've got a bit of grit in the disc brakes, they're grinding away. Oh. 10% apparently this is just what you need in this gorgeous British weather. Oh. I can't even see how far down I am because of the water on my Garmin. Oh. Oh, it's flattened off a bit now. But the rain's coming down hard. That's the climb done. Right, bit of a downhill, going to concentrate now. Oh.